Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export the answer or the text from Google Gemini into Google Docs. So let's say you want to write something by asking help of the Google Gemini. For example, in here you can just enter a prompt. I'm going to just write me a short essay about space weather, for example. Now you can just click on submit and just wait until this one you can see it will be created just like this. And if you want to add it into the Google Docs, you can just click on the share button in here, and there will be three options: share, export to Docs, and draft in Gmail. So if you want to export it into Docs, you can just click on export to Docs. Now it will creating the document. Now the document has been created, and if you want to open it, just click on open docs. Then the Google Docs of these tags will be open just like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.